Hey guys, it's me. I'll make another video for you guys. It's gonna be short, but without further ado, let's get on with the video. I bought a microwave. It's a Hamilton something. Um, Hamilton Beach microwave. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Here's the microwave, guys. Ta-da! Brand spanking new, boy. I like buying new stuff. It's pretty nice. We are eating this Stouffer's bowl full of fried chicken with mashed potatoes and has some gravy and corn with it. I'm gonna try it out. Comes in a plastic container, but that's what it looks like, guys. You know, we're gonna put it in the microwave now. We're gonna try out my new microwave. Food. You can put it in with the plastic cover on. It's not gonna harm the microwave or nothing. Not gonna blow up. Then if you look closely, it'll tell you preheat stuff, popcorn, pizza, fish, meat, whatever, you know, on the side there. Then there's the numbers. And then look at there. Clear numbers like Back to the Future, 88 miles an hour. And you go see the future. If anybody's seen the movie, you'll recognize the clear white light as the same as him driving along. Same thing, kinda. Pretty cool. It's like a backflash, you would say, to the movie. Let's see. There, it's working, guys. Check that out, man. Is that cool or what? It's pretty neat. It's like a nightlight. Once you put the time on there, it's gonna stay that illuminating color. Pretty cool. But you can see the light in there too. On the side. Oh, clean glass, like see-through. You know when you get microwaves that you can't see nothing, but you can hear it? This is the coolest microwave ever. It has a steel handle, and it has steel plated on the top, and steel plated on the bottom. And you start, pause. You can pause your time and your see-through numbers there. And you go parallel. You can change your time, cooking time, and it has like something there like a time defrost. Then you can also defrost your food too, I guess. Pretty neat. Well, we have 2 minutes to go, guys. I just wanted you to see this firsthand. This microwave is retail $70 at Wally World. If nobody knows what that means, it means Walmart. And if you want to get one, I'll leave a description down below and the price if you want one. And it's I believe 1100 watts of power, which is pretty cool. So we got 1 minute left, guys, and then I gotta do another 3 minutes after that, so a total of 7 minutes, and then the food will be cooked. Well, there you go, guys. That's the view of my new microwave, and that's where you can get it at, and that's how much it is. It's a different video than my previous video. Well, hopefully you enjoyed it. Short, it's not long, because I know people don't like to watch very long videos unless it's interesting. This is not interesting. I'm just saying I bought a new microwave. You know, something silly to put on my channel. I just thought it would be funny. Plus, I need a microwave anyway, because my other one gave out. So, forced me to go buy another one. I'm gonna finish making that food and I'm gonna eat my dinner. But that's the conclusion of the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoy something different and very short, because I know people don't like to watch long videos. You guys have a good day, good night, good evening, good morning, whenever time you're watching this. It's whatever time that you watching it, I don't know. But for me, it's so there's no time to what time it is. It's 0 time. So whatever 0 time it is, you know, because I don't care about what time it is, day or night, midday, whatever time it gets dark, light now, whatever, because time changed. Who knows? But it's 0 time, guys. If you want to know what time it is, 0 time. It's in infinite time. So if you have a time schedule, there you go. There's my time schedule. There's no time. Like 0 time. 0 time is infinity time, guys. Take it easy, all y'all. Have a good one. I know I am. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and leave a comment. And I'll be back with a new video very soon. Thank you, guys. Bye.